The fluorescent light flickers in the cramped lift, buzzing like a trapped insect. I always avoid looking in the mirror. The panel doesn't even have a button for 13, just a gap between 12 and 14. Yet, every midnight, the elevator lurches to a halt. The digital display bleeds a jagged red 13 into the dim cabin. The doors slide open with a heavy groan, revealing a hallway swallowed by shadows. It starts as a whisper behind the metal grate. Then, a small, wet giggle echoes down the ventilation shaft. A child's laughter, sharp and high-pitched, coming from a space too narrow for any person. I pressed the button for the lobby frantically. The laughter grew louder, shifting from playfulness to a rhythmic, metallic tapping. The doors finally hissed shut, but the sound didn't stay behind. It was right above me, scurrying through the ceiling panels.